What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan's Night and I am back with another video. So today I will be reviewing a wig that was sent to me by Nikiss or Nikiss. All the information as it relates to this wig will be down in my description box. It's a 13x4 frontal wig and it's 8 inch and it's curly. Can't have too much of these, so this is what the hair is looking like. And as I said, it is a 13x4 and it's 13x, it's like the real 13x4. It's not 13x4 just in here, it's 13x4 frontal from side to side. And this is what inside the wig is looking like. And you do get your comb at the back, you get a comb at the front right there, and you get 2 combs at the side, well protected, right? And you do have your elastic band as usual right here, so you're well safe. I love the lace of this wig. As you can see, it's brown. You can't really see where the lace starts, like along my complexion. On my complexion, this is the wig. I love it, love the color. So I'm going to be installing it, and I'm going to be, well, this is not my first time installing a wig, so I'm not going to be really talking through it, because you guys can definitely go and watch tons of video of how to really install the wig. As I said, it's 8 inches. It looks a little bit long for 8 inches, but it's 8 inches and it's thick enough. And I'm dragging here, but I'm not getting any shedding, which is good. And the texture is nice. It is soft, it's not too thin, and I'm just loving it. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. So let's see if it fits, if it's big head friendly. Okay. the hair, but for some reason I'm not feeling this side part, so I'm going to be doing a half up, half down. Let's see if I can do a half up, half down with it and come back to you guys. So guys, I went ahead and did a half up, half down because I was not feeling that install. So I went ahead and did a half up, half down. I think I prefer this a lot more than the install, that the side part. So for the texture of the hair, I give this a texture of the hair, I give it a 7. Like, it's soft and it's soft enough. So let me tell you my likes and dislikes about this hair. So I like that it's full. I like that it doesn't shed a lot. It's curly hair, so you will get a little shedding here and there, but it's not a lot or overbearing. I like that it is soft. I like that you get the 4x4 full, the full 4x4 frontal, so you can part it any way you like. What I don't like about this wig is that how they shape the hairline. Like, everyone's hairline is different. So like right here, despite I cut off the side, right here it's too deep. So you can see right here, I don't like the hairline of the wig. Other than that, it's a good wig. If I should rate it on a scale from 1 to 10, I will give it a 8, and the other 2 is for the hairline. So the 2 is for the hairline. But overall, for the price, it's worth it. And as I said, I did not bleach the lace, I did not pluck it, I did nothing. I took it straight out the package and just install it. So this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to be leaving all the information down in the description box for everyone who is interested in getting this wig. It's a budget friendly wig, and it's if you want a frontal look, you can definitely go and use. You can definitely get this wig. You can bleach the knots. The hair itself can be bleached. It's 100% human hair, and that's that. So you guys comment down below, do you like the half up, half down, or you prefer the deep side parts? I prefer the half up, half down because it looks better to me. But let me know down in the comment section what you think about the hair itself. And so look at right here, you see the hairline. Loving the look, the texture, as I said, is soft, very soft, and that's that. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me see some suggestions down in the comment section what you like to see me do next, and also let me know which one of the two style you prefer, the side part or the half up, half down. So until my next video guys,